How to install and download Topaz AI. So if you want to install and download Topaz AI, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then search for Topaz AI. Go with the first search, which is www.topazlabs.com, and it will take you to the website where you can simply scroll down and go with the upper right, which has that two-bar icon, and then go with downloads. And from here, you can download the latest version or the previous version on your computer or your PC. So you can simply download the Topaz Video AI. Click on the option of Windows if you're using Windows, or if you're using Mac, you can choose Mac. So I'll be choosing Windows. Once you click Windows, now here on the upper right, it will start the installing process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download. And once it's downloaded, you can use the Topaz AI. So that's how you can download and install. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.